How to hang patterned wallpaper. It's important to think about pattern alignment. On the roll, you can find information about pattern height. It shows how often the pattern repeats. High pattern height often means a lot of waste. Apply the adhesive on the wall with a roller. Pull up the strip until the pattern aligns with the previous one. Press gently to fix the strip and slowly slide it until the pattern aligns. Use a wallpaper smoother to fix it properly and to remove any air bubbles. Start in the middle and press towards the edges. Trim the excess paper on the top and bottom with a paper hanging knife. Remember to always use sharp blades so you don't tear the wallpaper. Use a damp sponge to get rid of any adhesive residue on the wallpaper and on the trim work after each strip is applied. Use plenty of water to avoid patchy walls. Repeat in the same way in the rest of the room.